Can I screw only the bottom screw into a stud? I recently purchased Granhult from IKEA for my wall shelf. The problem is that my wall stud do not align with the brackets because of the size of my shelf. Can I simply screw the bottom screws into the noggins and use wall anchors for the top screws? The shelf is going to hold books and some Legos. Thanks in advance. Question from user The Carpe at Stack Exchange. Answer: no. First off, the top screws take up most of the load. The weight of the shelf stuff will try to pull the top screws out of the wall. The bottom screws comparatively hold very little actual load. Secondly, why are your studs not vertical? I'm having trouble picturing why the bottom holes hit a stud but the top screws do not. Books are very heavy and a shelf needs to be well built to hold them up. Your best bet is to get different brackets with larger vertical members, which reduces the bending torque the screws have to withstand. Floating or floating-ish shelves are challenging because their fasteners are extremely highly loaded compared to traditional shelves. Answer from user What's his name at Stack Exchange.